Advent calendar. Advent calendar. Angel. Angel. Bells. Bells. Candle. Candle.
Hey there, let's test your level of English and see how comfortable you are talking about a common topic, your daily routine. I'll offer models at different levels and highlight ways of increasing the complexity. You can then challenge yourself and use all that you know to talk about what you do every day. The several levels A1 through C2 are a way for us to refer to language proficiency. It's a common framework. It helps us generally agree on what proficiency means, but you don't have to get too caught up with levels. Tests are useful, but sometimes they can make us feel bad and hurt our confidence. I want this lesson to help you discover what you know, what you're capable of, and show you where you're headed in your language learning journey. I'm Jennifer from English with Jennifer. Some of you know that I don't like to wake up very early.